What's going on, guys? Ren Lim here. And today we're back again with another interview. Today, meron akong kasama. One word, leadership. She knows how to lead a specific group and wants to learn more about life. She also wants to learn to lead other groups in the future that can help society. So please welcome my special guest. She's known for, of course, leading. Please welcome Anika. So Anika, hello and welcome.
Hi guys!
So hello Anika. Unang tanong ko sa'yo, kamusta ka?
I'm okay.
You're doing
It's
great.
finally summer vacation.
That's great. Nakita ko yung Blackpink sa background .
Ass.
Yeah. Anyway, so bigyan nyo kami ng parang brief information about sa pagiging mo, like what are the groups na sinalihan mo na that leads basically, ganon.
So, ever since elementary, it started off muna sa SSG talaga. I ran for representatives. Tapos lately lang ako nag-jump into a big position which is secretary. And then, nung elementary kasi di ako binoboto for class officer. Pero when pandemic hit ng grade 6, dun ako binoto. And as of the moment, for 3 years, I am the class president.
Class president in your class?
Yes.
Amazing. So binoboto ka talaga nila, ganon.
Yeah.
That's great. What are the different kinds of mga nagawa mo bilang like representative, like president, ganon?
Sa presidency ko sa class, siguro yung mga events like Buwan ng Wika, nung Kamenyamo, pang Teacher's Day or pang surprise sa teacher, sa advisor. Tapos sa SSG, yung projects ko sadly hindi siya na apply the school year, pero somehow nakatulong naman ako sa kanila, which is okay for me na.
All right. Do you want to improve more in becoming a leader? Do you want to like join other groups in the future, like leadership groups that can help the community or society?
Yes, kasi yung project ko actually, which is the leadership talk, para maturuan yung mga kabataan how to be a leader. Kasi napapansin ko lately, ayaw nila, parang natatakot sila because of the pressure, the work that it's gonna give them. So, yes.
Alright. Sige, simula tayo sa elementary stage mo. Di ba you run for representative noon?
Yes.
Ano yun, like for fun? Or like do you want to evolve? Or like it is a stepping stone in becoming a leader? Yun ba yung mindset mo noon?
Actually, hindi ko maalala yung mindset ko noon kasi nung grade 4, gusto ko sana maging class officer noon, pero no one voted. So, nung grade 5, wala ulit sa class. And then, nung nagtanong yung advisor namin na sino gustong tumakbo for representative, I didn't even know what it was. I just knew it had something to do with leadership. So I ran, but I sadly lost, which is fine.
Alright.
So, yun.
Tapos you continued to run for more positions in the following grade levels, ganon.
Yes, pero nung grade 7 and 8, I took a big break from that.
Nagpahinga ka, tapos ano ka lang, president sa class?
Nung grade 7, I was the president ulit. Tapos nung grade 8, I was the secretary.
Tapos 9 president ulit.
Yes.
Wow, taas pala ng mga positions na binibigay sa'yo. So, nung like elementary, nagkaroon ka ba ng oras nun? Like a time na you felt insecure, you felt lack of confidence kasi walang bumoboto sa'yo?
Napapaisip lang naman ako na bakit ayaw nila sa akin, ba't di nila ako binaboto. Pero I never lost the confidence. I always aim na I should improve more siguro. Ganon.
So it's like an improvement from like small beginnings tas continuous improvement, ganon.
Yes.
Yung ano ba, like nung elementary, di ba natatalo ka lagi? Did it inspire you to continue to strive for more and never give up, ganon?
Yes, kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko. I see this as a hobby kasi being a leader, hindi ko gusto yung power. Gusto ko makatulong sa kapwa.
That's very interesting. Meron ka bang balak maging politician in the future?
Nar.
Nar. Just parang tawag doon? Leadership something something. Basta leader ka sa mga community mo, like ganon. Like parang sa SK ganon. You wanna be part of the SK ba or no? Basta leader lang. Leader.
Siguro pag adulting na ako, I don't know if may outside leadership stuff pa ako isasali. Pero ang focus ko is sa school community.
So school community community projects ganon. All right. So I wanna ask, what do you want to like give motivation or inspire the other people who wants to become a leader din pero nahihiya sila due to their like confidence and mindset na parang hindi ko kaya yung ganun-ganyan, hindi ko kaya na mag-lead, ganon. Anong gusto mong parang ipayo sa kanila?
Just try. Kasi nung times ko, I thought of those things as well. Pero, pinursige ko siya and tinry ko siya. And ayan ang naging kinalabasan. Hindi naman kailangan pag, let's say nag-run ka for representative, hindi naman kailangan manalo ka agad. Kasi ako naman din, hindi ako nanalo agad nun. Pero that should not be a demotivation. That should be a motivation.
To continue to improve, ganon.
Yes.
And that's exactly, excuse me. Do you want to make more projects? Like, may bala ka bang sumali ulit ng SSG next year?
Yes.
What kind of position? Diba you mentioned na previous year secretary ka, diba? You wanna like become a vice president maybe or secretary ulit or any other positions? May bala ka ba ulit?
Vice siguro. Kasi since hindi ko alam kung papayagan ang president for next year.
Kasi I remember, diba, nung parang bawal yung dapat 12 talaga yung president, diba? So,
pero titignan siguro.
Tatlo lang naman eh. So, do you want to continue becoming a leader?
Yes, I wanna help the school more now. Kasi madami akong gusto i-propose for next year. Madami na akong naiisip actually para matulungan sila to improve. Kasi medyo madami na ang bashers.
All right. That's very motivating and inspiring. So, truly inspiring story coming from you, Anika, from like square one, parang onti pa lang yung mo noon, which transpired to, mas lalo ka nag-improve, correct? Nagkaroon ka ba ng improvements? If you want to compare, pwede ka mag-compare. Compare mo yung mga improvements na nangyari sa'yo from siguro nung elementary ka to high school. Like, ano mga naging improvements mo?
Siguro, I'm less bossy. Kasi nung elementary, nung grade 5, kahit hindi ako representative or officer noon, when I became leaders in certain, let's say, PTs, pansin ko medyo bossy ako. And na-mention din yun ng classmates ko sa akin. So, comparing it to now, I think I'm less. Tapos, comparing to elementary, I think my temper ngayon, mas lumala siya. It's very hard to work on, lalo na if hindi talaga nakikinig sa'yo. It's hard.
Okay. So, do you want to have more improvements? If yes, anong gusto mong improve sa sarili mo? When it comes to leadership qualities.
Of course, gusto ko mag-improve. Ayun, first of all, yung temper ko. Kasi, being a leader generally is so hard. Kasi, you always have to be the good role model. You always have to follow the rules. Kahit gusto mo gumawa ng kalokohan with your friends, you always have to do what's right. Being a leader, dapat alam mo yung tama at mali. So, siguro controlling my emotions and temper ang kailangan ko talaga i-improve mainly. Sa iba naman, I don't know.
Okay. So, meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa mga like as you mentioned na nagbigay ka na rin ng inspiration, 'di ba, and motivation, 'di ba? Sa do you think na other people can also join other like leadership groups? If kaya naman nila, do you think kaya nila din?
Yes. Each and every person, kaya nila yan. Basta pursigido sila and they're motivated. Kasi if you became a leader pero medyo irresponsible ka naman, I don't think that's not. So if sasali kayo sa any leadership, kailangan may goals kayo lagi, may mindset, and may motivation to do it.
All right. So, thank you, Anika, for those inspiring words and motivating, quotes, like words din. So, good luck sa mga magiging future projects mo, and make sure to become a leader and reach your dreams din.
Thank you so much.
So, yun na muna para sa amin, guys. There'll be link in the description once again to my social media platforms, and if you want to check it out. So, eto nga po pala si Anika, a future leader din, and has a lot of projects for the school. Abangan nyo yan. So, yun na muna para sa amin, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye!